freight train at all. My mistake. Hi viewers, welcome to Ilkeston train station. This train's going past through Alfreton on its way. There's no sign saying how much you've got to pay for parking, or if it's free with a blue badge, I don't know. Can't see now.
Engineering works are taking place between Sheffield and Manchester Piccadilly on Sunday the 22nd of June, affecting our Liverpool, Nottingham and Norwich route. Trains will terminate at Sheffield. A bus replacement will operate between Chesterfield and Stockport, and Sheffield and Stockport connect with alternative trains. Please check your journey before you travel at eastmidlandsrailway.co.uk.
It normally says how much you pay for parking, but I can't see our price list today. That way goes to Langley Mill and Alfreton and Leeds and Sheffield. That way goes south, I suppose, to Derby, is it? I'm not sure. Well, right over the other side there's a price list for parking, but I can't read that from here. I can't zoom in either. Plenty of CCTV cameras. So is this all there is? Is there no building, no office, no ticket office, no toilets, nothing like that, no? Not as far as I can make out, there ain't, no. I wonder if we've got free Wi-Fi, we can check, see what trains are due, shall we? So just checked real time trains, or real train times, whatever you call it. There's no freight trains due for a long time. It's a longer platform than Alfreton, I would say. More seats, there's some seats over there. Got seats over there. But there's no ticket office, there's no toilets. There's nothing here. Just lots of steps. It's 11:36 in the morning. The first train is due at 12:30, another hour. Is it worth hanging around on an empty platform for an hour? I don't think so. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Ilkeston railway station. We're just passing the time away, getting ready for a weekend away in our little car camping expedition we do. Got a few things to do indoors, and then who knows, we could be away tonight, tomorrow, who knows. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch all the videos on my YouTube channel. Catch you all soon. Bye from Ilkeston. This train's come from Wakefield going to Southampton.
Calling out Langley Mill, Ilkeston and Nottingham.
One 95020 off to Leeds. There should be a freight train coming through any minute now. I don't think it'll be going too fast though. This platform at Alfreton ain't very level. I'm on the slope at the moment. Loco on its own, look. 66014. Wouldn't mind seeing them all day, would you?